Some of the earliest precast concrete subway tunnel linings in North America are still carrying trains beneath the city of Toronto today. Installed between 1966 and 1975 in the Toronto Transit Commission's Line 1 Young University Spadina subway, these precast concrete tunnel lining systems have served the city for nearly 60 years. Over time, however, these original linings have begun to deteriorate. Anticipating increased transit demand and recognizing the time-sensitive nature of the deterioration, the owner identified the need to evaluate long-term solutions. To support that effort, the Commission engaged TAC to undertake a comprehensive feasibility study, examining how deteriorated tunnel lining segments could potentially be replaced within an active subway system. The study brought together expertise in tunneling, geotechnical engineering, structural design, tunneling technology, ground improvement, and construction planning to evaluate potential replacement strategies. Using advanced three-dimensional ground structure modeling, the team analyzed how the tunnel and surrounding ground would respond during staged removal and replacement of individual segments. Hatch also developed a conceptual work car system compatible with the Commission's existing rolling stock, designed to safely support liner replacement activities inside operating subway tunnels. Equally important, the study established a practical construction workflow with clearly defined safe stop points, allowing work zones to be safely handed back to operations and helping minimize disruption to the traveling public. Together, these innovations provide a forward-looking roadmap for addressing one of the most complex rehabilitation challenges facing aging underground transit infrastructure. Congratulations to the Toronto Transit Commission and Hatch for the feasibility study for TTC Line 1 Precast Concrete Tunnel Lining Replacement Program, winner of TAC's 2026 Canadian Innovation Initiative of the Year.